Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Crazy Games. So today I'm gonna show you how you can easily change your name inside Crazy Games. So first of all, please like and subscribe. It will help us to reach more people on this topic and get more views. So first of all, log in your Crazy Games account. Then you need to click on your profile icon on top right corner. Click on your profile icon, then you will see here the pencil icon. Click on that. So from here you can easily change your name. So you need 6 to 20 character for your name, or you can use only letter, number or special symbols, and then you need to click on save username. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So bye.